Hey all, this is Tom with Fitness Pro Travel once again, and finishing up. I guess that we'll consider this a module one of the training sessions on getting through the Fitness Pro Travel site. Another quick and easy one for us. I don't know if it's easy. We'll find out. Messages. This area here. Cursor over the top of messages. We have an inbox, an outbox, and a compose. Very simple. Very similar to things we've seen in the past through other mail systems. Not real robust, but it does work. This little sticky pad right over here on the right, this pops up into your My Account space when there are new messages, new friend requests, people have made a comment on your blog, in a forum post. It's just to give you a heads up that something has definitely changed since last time you were within the site, so you'll want to check it out. Clicking on any of these links right here will take you right into your message box and straight to that message, but let's just go the standard route and take a quick look at the inbox. Real quick, we jumped into Amy's inbox, and there are a number of different things back and forth here. There's that new message we were talking about. You just click on it to view it. If you want to just see the read ones, just see the unread ones. If you want to delete it, those are your routes for doing so. Nothing too exciting. We want to compose a message. Just click there. Just real quick to show you this one. You type in your subject as you'd expect. You can use this as a drop. I'll show you as a drop down menu with the friends that you do have, the connections that you have in the community, or you can start typing as you tab over here and start typing and do that. Then on this, in the lower section is where you'll actually set your message, and from here you can type away, and it is all typed away. You can go ahead and bold it, you can change the color of it, you can treat that however you want to make it a little more interesting. We can also add links to our messages, and photos if we want to attach photos, and YouTube, which we're going to do a lot of encouraging folks to bring their vacation stuff back and bring them into YouTube. We made this site really easy to do that. So some of these features here are fairly familiar. If they're not, you can check with us. But copy paste, all those types of things are part of the composed message. Let's go back to our My Account area. So one thing I have to cover, I suppose, if we're going to start having friends and making connections, we need to figure out real quick how to find those friends. And so we're going to take a real quick look back at the search features. Remember, it defaults to travel opportunities, but if I want to find a fitness professional and I know their name, I can type in their name. If I know their user ID, which is their the name that you see displayed, then that would be what you do there. If I just want to do a search based upon, because I know they're in Florida, and I want to find all of them in Florida, or search through them in Florida, depending upon my membership level, it tells me how many results I receive during this process. Let me move this thing over here. Let's see. Did we get in the middle of a recording and lose the whole thing? Alright, so from here, you see I now have a list of several. Actually, I know there's more than that, and I'll show you how I know. Because right over here on the right-hand side is a drop-down menu. So we have 13 pages of pros. You can see right up here there's 320 pros that are from Florida. At least have marked themselves as Florida. And I can go from here and take a look at, there's some nice feed from Danielle. Let's go see what we do there. So the last point on these messages is that I can only see so much of their account. They have totally misformatted their area. This is not a good example. I'm going to have to redo this. I want to keep an eye on my timeline. We'll find out how fast we can go find a different pro that has better format, and we'll go work with them on getting that straightened out. So let's go see Sandra's account real quick, and it's the public profile. So this is what you would see by doing a search. You just get the biography. This is what you see on each other. Oops, you don't have a full screen. So we just get the biography over in this area, and if she had a blog post, it would be in there. And then you're not currently friends, so we need to request her as a friend. The request would go to her, which she can approve. When she does that, then we can communicate back and forth. I can see her blogs, her bulletins, and we'll go more into those later. And then over here on this side over here, I can still send her a message, and again, I can add her as a friend. So we could send something directly to her. The biggest factor here for everybody will be dependent upon your membership level, and that's all you get to see of her account. will give you how many results you will actually get when you do these searches. So if I search Florida under my account, I can see all 300. Many of you who have the free accounts would only be able to see 15. So it's a little bit tougher to find your friends that way. You have to definitely know their name, but you can still do it. And you can still do these searches. So networking is important to you, connecting with other fitness professionals to learn from each other, and connecting directly, then that's how you'll do it. We'll get into the forums and how to communicate, system-wide, maybe in the next module. So anyway, hopefully that's helpful to you. You now know how to search for a fitness professional under your search box. You know how to send them a connection request, and you know how to send them messages. So we need to head back over here and go to my account to get back here. And until next time, take care and make it a great day.